Welcome to using Newcastle Web Statistics, NWS, with an iPhone. On the iPhone, opening Safari in portrait mode. Entering wedomaps.com in the address bar. This opens the Transport Analysis Reporting Data System, TARDIS. Tapping NWS for smartphone, this opens NWS. Tapping the hamburger icon in the top right-hand corner, options appear in the list as the user has previously been saved. Tapping options reveals the available option. Tapping National Road Traffic Collisions, RTCs. The top bar has 4 icons. House for returning to the options page. The wheel for configuration options. The signpost for navigating to specific areas. RTCs for plotting incidents. Tapping the wheel reveals the changeable options. The defaults are OK. Tapping the wheel again returns to the map. Tapping the signpost opens a select area drop-down. Scrolling down to Corbridge displays Corbridge on the map. Tapping the RTCs button displays the 7 collisions associated with the map. Zooming in, and tapping a collision, then tapping details displays the full information associated with the incident. Changing to landscape, and tapping AA, followed by hide toolbar, minimizes the address bar. Scrolling the blank area on the right side enables the information box to be fully displayed. Scrolling within the information box gives access to all the data associated with the collision. Scrolling back up on the right side exposes the Hide Excel button, and clicking it reveals the map again. Closing the info box. Tapping Make Polygon enables a polygon to be drawn by tapping the map, finishing with Close Polygon. Returning to portrait mode. Tapping the polygon displays an info box, and tapping on graph gives a summary in graph and Excel format.